Alright, so we've got two System 11Cs. This first one here, this is out of a Black Knight, both of them are. This had some previous repair work that had been done to it. Also has some extensive alkaline damage that, I can't really go through and clean everything up and, deem it that it's bulletproofed. It's just spread sporadically throughout the board, kind of on front and back. So anyways, what we've done here to the board is we've replaced the 6802 processor socket, as well as both the game ROMs, added NVRAM to the board, replaced the 6802 socket here for the sound ROM, or for the sound section, as well as both of the sound ROMs as well. Over here in this section, we had some jumpers that were done on the back side of the board. What I ended up doing was I tightened one of the jumpers up, redid the other, and then upon testing the board, I had Leon's in here, which actually the chip enable, I believe, for U42 here was disconnected, so I went ahead and ran a jumper for that and tacked it onto the back side of the board there with conformal coating. But whoever had done this repair before had hard soldered these two PIAs into the board, which I went ahead and pulled those, fixed the traces, and socketed it and then fixed the traces there. Replaced all three of the power input filtered capacitors there. Those were the originals, as well as the 0.156 header here for the power input. So we'll go ahead and get this thing started up. I've got my speakers turned up quite a bit here. So it's searching for a pinball. Obviously not going to find one since we're on the bench, but we'll go ahead and throw it into test. Turn that down a bit.
All clear, all clear.
There's the music, and then into displays. So with the Whirlwind ROMs, it goes through and tests, absolutely everything here on the board. So all of the display outputs, everything. It's quite an extensive test with this set of ROMs, which is nice. And there you can see all the displays are working. And into the sound test.
Uh-oh, looks like rain.
Run all lamps. Two single lamps. And you'll see a bit of ghosting here with the LED setup with the incandescence. You won't see that there. And then into the solenoids, which we're testing both the A side and the C side here. To the special solenoids, which we'll also test as well. Those were all computer driven, and we'll go ahead and test them by switch here as well, which those are all working correctly. And into switches, so we'll go through testing diagonally through the switch matrix, which tests both the rows and columns, both there. So all 64 switches are recording. Obviously, A side and C side relay selects working correctly. No reason to set this up to free play, just because obviously it's not going into a whirlwind there. But back to searching for a pinball. But we are 100% good to go. Thank you so much for sending it.